Hi guys, on this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this really cute little vintage teddy bear cake. Okay, so as you can see, we're doing lots of different things in this tutorial. We're going to be carving out a cake, we're going to be ganashing it, covering it in an unusual shape with a sugar paste, also the cool buttercream piping with the fur, airbrushing to get this really cool colour and tones, and of course making these really cool little flowers for the little hat. So come on, let's get started. Okay, there's the first little Scooby snack. Okay, so that's fine. So that's just got the bum. And then we've got the body. So just see if we can get that out of there. We can, so that's perfect. So it's a bit of a jigsaw. Just trying to work out where you can fit these out. Okay. So we'll see if we can get two bodies. But if we just lift the cake over and place it onto the card. Now we need to leave a wee bit of space for his wee tootsies, his wee feet. So I'm just going to draw a little line just to give a bit extra space for his feet. And then of course we want to go all the way around the back. Turn it around and then just keep on ganashing. It's a hard job, but somebody's got to do it. Soft and squidgy sugar paste, which is absolutely perfect for this type of cake decorating. Okay, so roll it out. Now all we're looking for here is a thin skin for the buttercream to stick onto. Okay, and we're going to lift them up, the sugar paste, and we're going to just drape it right over and down. And there we go, and that's him finished. So we've got a wee ghost, just put the wee eyes on, and there we go. Nice wee Halloween cake. Okay, so I'm just bringing the sugar paste to the edge, to the top of the ribbon. Okay, and again, don't worry how they look, don't worry if you've got lots of fingerprints, because of course it's going to be hidden. Okay. Now, if you just try and dig in a little bit further, you can actually use your knife. What we want to do is just try and pull that out a wee bit. And the idea is you try and get as close together so we can't see the underneath, but because we're going to be airbrushing, we can almost get away with not putting on as close to each other, because the airbrush should hopefully fill in the gaps, but it's still good practice to get them nice and close. So we're looking for a little bit kind of vintagey feel to the hat. Just curling it up. Yeah, that's nice. So like that. I'm actually using the ear as a little platform, and then please don't stick to there. There we go. If we get another one, I just layer it up just to make it quite a, yeah, that looks nice. A couple of big ones and a couple of small ones. That's just how they look. So when you're cutting out just almost the inside I'm just trying to do a slight wibbly wobbly line. There was no glue, no water added there. Okay, and just get some water. You can use piping gel if you want, it makes it a wee bit stickier. Okay, and then just pick up the flower and we just press it down like that, the petal. Okay, and it's really nice, look at that nice way, but it's got that very paper roses sort of feel about it. There we are, so you can see how nice that looks. They look beautiful. Taking one just down here, so a little bit of water. Actually, I was going to get some sugar paste, with the sugar paste, and we just want to squidge that on. Oh, actually, maybe I do need to put some sugar paste. Yeah. Okay, I just want to push them in. There we go. I don't want to behave. There we go. Yes. Okay, that's all we need to do. I'm just trying to slightly just give it a slight grey tone. What we can do is just put a wee bit of the colour just up the middle of these leaves. Yep, it's fine. Okay, now I'm just getting rid of that colour. It's really just blending in, but just when the light hits off it, it just gives it a nice. Yep, that looks good. There we go. Yep, that looks good. Oh, I need to do the wee flowers down here. A bit of gold on them. Gosh, I actually like the eyes being like that. It gives it a softer feel. Oh, just detail it a little bit more. This is just a smaller brush. I think that's it. Yep, so there we go. So one little teddy bear cake. Yay!